Well, she said if I ever deceived her, she'd be gone before I could count ten. I guess that I did not believe her. Now just look at the trouble I'm in. And she's gone, 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 gone. Crying won't bring her back. The more that I cry, the faster the train flies farther down the track. Well, I lost every right to be happy when I lost the good love I'd found. She swore that she'd leave and she loved me before my first tear hit the ground. Now she's gone, 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 gone. Crying won't bring her back. The more that I cry, the faster the train flies crawling down the track. Well, if I only knew where to find her, I would crawl back on my hands and knees. Each tick of the clock's a reminder. She's 1 second farther from me. Now she's gone, 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 gone. I'll bring her back. The more that I cry, the faster the train flies farther on down the track. And she's gone, 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 gone. Crying won't bring her back. The more that I cry, the faster the train flies farther down the track. Yeah, the more that I cry, the faster the train flies farther down the track.
Welcome back to Carmine's Country Corner. We
Yeah.
got well, the Gibson don't sound bad, I gotta tell you, Leah. We got Greg Leon with us today. He's been around a few
Yeah.
pretty cool bands. We'll talk more about that in a minute. And so he's kind of our guest artist. He brought a little blues and a little rock and roll to the show, and we love you for that.
Thanks for being. It's nice to be loved.
Yes, well, you know, I'm sure you're loved by a lot of people.
Say you
So
loved you.
tell me a little about just for a little bit about what have you been doing the past 30 years, 40 years? I know you were with some pretty good people for a while.
Basically aging.
Well, yeah, all of us.
Just working and playing and building my studio and doing.
You got a nice
records.
studio. I've been
Yeah.
to the house and.
It's better now. 24-track tape studio. It's
Woo.
all
Oh, you
analog.
went to
It's-
tape? Did you really?
I've always been tape. I used to be 16-track though.
Oh, okay.
Now it's 24 and it's glorious.
Nice. Neve and Studer?
No. No, I had a big 2-inch one. I went to a 1-inch 24.
All
Because
right.
there's just the tape's like $500 now a reel.
Oh my
And the
God.
maintenance is ridiculous. So on my 24 track, 1 inch, I can do all the maintenance myself, and the tape's half of that. So.
And you can write it all off.
Well,
Yeah. And you could afford to have people come and record there without charging them outrageous prices. You know,
Yeah.
keep that overhead down. So, did you work with a couple of kind of pretty well known rock and roll bands for a little bit?
Yeah.
Name one.
Back in the day.
Come on, I want the people to know where you've been.
Dokken was a hard rock '80s band that had a lot of hits.
I remember that
but
name.
they didn't have the hit. They had the hits after I left. But
I
just left too
You didn't
soon.
have to mention that.
well, you know, yeah, no, I know.
You know, but
Yeah, if it's not fun being in a band, I can't be in it. If they
Yeah,
can't laugh and
yeah.
have fun, and people doing mean things to other people, I gotta go.
you had to leave.
So I
Well-
left too soon, though. I have to admit.
Well, it's okay as long as they had fun. And didn't you have a little something to do with Quiet Riot for a little bit
I
there?
was the first guy that replaced Randy Rhoads when he went with Ozzy
Jeez.
Osbourne. I was Randy's favorite guitar player locally.
That was some pretty big shoes to fill. Randy was a hell of a player.
Yeah, it didn't seem like it at the time, though. I mean, I was so rehearsed, and
Yeah.
you just stepped right in. I knew all their songs because we rehearsed at the same place. And,
Yeah, so you just stepped up
just-
and did the job. Yeah.
yeah.
That's fabulous. Okay, well, you want to do something right now?
Why don't we do some stuff with you guys?
Okay, and then you want to do, okay. What do you got, Swan?
Merle Haggard. Merle.
I can't help it myself.
G. Today I started loving you again. I'm right back where I've really always been. I got over you long enough to let my heartache mend. But today I started loving you again. What a fool I was to think I'd get by. Well, only these few million tears I cried. I should have known first and alone. And crying time for me just begun. I said today I started loving you again. I'm right back where I've really always been. I got over you long enough to let my heartache mend. But today I started loving you again. have really always been. I got over you just long enough to let my heartache mend. Today I started loving you again.
Good job, Gary Swan. Carmine's Country Corner. We've been doing this for about 5 years, a little over 5 years, and he stepped out to grab another guitar. I think he's putting the 335 away and plays good, doesn't he?
He plays great.
I love the way he plays. He's got a great feel and brings the soul. Hey, kids. Wait, the kids got to. Well, of course. What do you want to do?
What did the fox say? We don't know that one. We don't know how to play that one. I know. We
can
watched
learn
it
it,
the
though.
other day. It's really fun. What does the fox say?
Is that a song? What does the fox say?
It is
Oh,
a
I
song.
don't know that song. We should learn that. Sorry, honey.
Learn that.
Next
That's a
time.
good request, though.
Thanks for asking for a request.
Absolutely. All right, Greg, you're up. Get that telly.
You better play What Did the Fox Say?
I'm not. She's got me wondering. What did the fox say?
What did the fox say?
I tell you. Watch the volume and we're good.
The fox said he was a little lamb.
I don't even know if I'm a two with it. Give me a D. Close enough.
Telly's not brought it to. They just move on a little bit.
That's not supposed to happen. All right, just play something.
Okay. So you don't want to do one yet?
Not yet.
All right, we're doing another one, Paul.
Okay. Remember me when the candle lights are gleaming in the key of D dog. We'll shuffle. One, two, one. You told me once that you'd been mine alone forever, and I'd be yours till the end of eternity. But all those vows are broken now, and I will never be the same, except in memory. Remember me when the candle lights are gleaming. Remember me at the close of a long line. It would be so sweet, all alone I'm dreaming, just to know you still remember me. A brighter face may take my place when we're apart, dear. Another love with a heart more bold and free. But in the end, fair weather friends may break your heart. to know you still remember me. Come on, man. So sweet, all the world I remember, just to know you still remember me. Yeah, just to know you still remember
This guitar ain't making it. Sounds good. It's just so brittle. Can we do something in A?
What, honey? You want to say something? Batman.
Batman, how you like it so far?
Hello, Batman.
When Batman
Try
was
again.
really big and out, and I was working with Mickey up at the Pine Cone Lounge at the Sahara Hotel in Lake Tahoe, or Lake Tahoe. And there was a group called the Kings Four, and they would put the black lights would come on, and they would do the Batman theme, and they would say Batman, you know, like that, and then they had a bullet on a string that would come across the stage. The guy would shoot the guy, and you could see the bullet coming across, and then when it hit the guy, you would act like he got shot. And in the middle of the song, after saying Batman a bunch of times, the guy said, "How do you like the word so far?" Batman. Wait. Oh, he went back to the Gibson.
Yeah, the telly was just too thin.
You know, you're probably more at home on a Gibson anyway, I'll bet you, on a 335.
Now do you want to sing something?
What's that?
Do something. So can we do something in A where I play slide guitar?
I don't care what you do.
I'll leave and I'll see you later.
Okay, yeah, we'll do whatever you want.
So we're playing the guy's
Okay, we'll do
request.
something.
Do one more.
We were doing the guy's request, and you cut us off.
What was the request?
Batman.
Oh, we did enough of that. I told the whole story.
I wanted to play the rest of it, but
What do you got?
You guys play something, I'll play along, then I'll get the other guitar out so we don't have another guitar change. We'll do kind of a boogie, kind of a blues boogie on A. I love it.
one
I
more
love it.
last chance in A.
What do you want to do?
One more last chance in A.
yeah.
Just hang on.
Watch the ball.
One, two, one, two, three, yeah. Gonna
Okay, we got a little rock and roll guitar going on here today, Paul. I love it. It sounds great.
Yes, sir.
Craig, sooner or later you are going to sing one, so get ready. You're going to switch guitars again? All right.
Hardly show, bro.
I know, it's good.
It's like Liberace changing outfits.
It's So, Swan, you've been working. I saw a thing you posted on Facebook, all the places you're working this week. Good for you.
That was last week.
Well, last week, this
I
week.
work
you
all
know.
the time,
Well, that's good. You should.
but
You've made scene that way, bro.
yeah.
Here she is, the lovely
Hi, Ella.
lady.
What's this one for? Oh, we know that one.
Oh, yeah, we'll do
a
that
little
for
later.
sure.
Yep. Thank you. We'll do that one in a little bit.
We know one of her songs.
Yeah.
You made her say that, didn't you?
So we're up here in La Crescenta, next door to Bob Smith Toyota.
Right next door.
Right next door to Bob Smith Toyota. And
They sell Toyotas there.
it's a little hot today, but we're getting by.
That's okay.
Where's my damn sound?
It may look like we're indoors in a barn, but we're actually.
So great.
Yeah, just like that.
Is that too loud?
Maybe. Okay, we got Greg Leon here tonight, and we finally talked him into doing a song, and I'm excited about this. Okay, rock the
You
joint.
guys know that song "Tell Mama"?
Sure we do.
Like I know all these other songs, right? Okay.
Good. Let's play it.
It's in A. You know it? I know it. Just play it. You know, play
I quit my job. Yeah, left the station. Seems I have to leave this town. I can't quit now. Yeah, tickles in my head. Catch the train that's eastern bound. Tell mama why you never so soon. Sometimes it's not that I need. It's got me sick the way you. Tell mama
like the way June.
Great job.
All right. Good stuff.
Well, we finally got a little bit of energy here at Carmine's Country Corner today with Greg Leon. Great job, man. Nice stuff. You got another one, something like that?
Yeah, let's. It's just a boogie. It's an
Yeah.
A, obviously a boogie. I'm gonna turn up just a little bit.
I don't care. Do what you
Can we
gotta
get
do.
more volume out of this? Because I can't really hear my vocal.
Okay, well, that's because the monitor's back there to accommodate him. What's it back behind? Let me just try to do something like this, and then I'll try to. There you go.
Check. Oh, yeah, that's a little better. And this is just a boogie. It's just a shuffle, a hard shuffle. You know, like a.
Are we all gonna get to play on this one? I hope.
Yeah, if you want. No, you guys just sit
I
there
wanted to
and look
play on
pretty.
the last one, I didn't get to.
Oh, sorry, I didn't know. Let's do it again. I'll let you play.
No, we'll do it next time.
Keep me
much for some of you out
Oh,
there.
it's great. Are you kidding? Everybody loves that kind of stuff. Are you kidding?
That's what I think.
That's good stuff, man. That's
I haven't played slide in a couple of years. It felt good.
well, it sounded pretty good to me. Tell you right now. How about a hand for Greg? Okay. You got one?
Just call me Lonesome. Starts from A to G to D. 1, 2, just call me lonesome, heartbroken and some. I ain't got no one since you've been gone. You call me baby, I've got a new name. Don't need my old one, I'm lonesome from now on. You used to call me the one and only. Now you only call me someone you won't see. You said forever, we stay together. In between us, just call me lonesome, heartbroken this time. I ain't got no one since you've been gone. You call me baby, I got a new name. Don't need my old one, I'm from now on. I see you again and fall apart again. Remembering when I was the only one you needed. You said forever we'd be together. In between us now, the river lies in peace. Just call me lonesome, heartbroken this time. I ain't got no one since you've been gone. You call me baby, I got a new name. Don't need my old one, I'm alone from now on. Just call me lonesome, heartbroken and some. I ain't got no one since you've been gone. You call me baby, I've got a new name.
Hey man, I'm trying.
Now we had a request from Isla.
Oh, yeah.
And I think we're going to do that song
Let's do
now
that.
for you, honey. And how's Holly doing out there? He's having fun? What? I can't see that far. But I'll be. Oh my goodness.
Whoa! Don't hit me.
A ninja. What are those? What do they call those?
Slingshot.
Oh, a slingshot. I thought it was those other things, chuck things or whatever.
I better not play any wrong notes.
No, we better.
Have our protective eye gear on with that kid
I
out
think
there.
I'd be safer to play behind my amp in this song than in front of it. All right. This
All right, we're going to do a request. Isla had a request for a song called Take Me to Lake Charles. We're going to do that one.
It's in A. Eventually, it's got a 2 minor. No fives. One, two, vamp in A.
Well, now take me to Lake Charles. I could win $100, buy some milk and mashed potatoes, maybe buy you some flowers. I lost my license when Rita came ashore. Trying to help my sister, I dropped it on the floor. So take me to Lake Charles. 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 I swear if you give me a ride over there, I'll buy the buffet and a dress you can wear. 21's coming to me, I can feel it in my bones. I'll have to change my name to Savings and Loan. So take me to Lake Charles. Oh, take me to Lake Charles. Take me to Lake Charles. Take me to Lake Charles. Take me to Lake Charles, Gary.
since you've been gone, and no matter who I try to be, it's blue and broken hearted me. Hit me. And I can't explain the way I feel. Every tear I cry is real. Since you've been gone, no matter who I try to be, it's blue and broken hearted me. Oh, blue and broken hearted me. Holding to a memory. Since you've been gone, no matter who I try to be, it's blue and broken hearted me. And broken hearted me, holding to a memory. Since you've been gone, and who I try to be, it's blue and broken hearted me. Gee, that's fun playing next to a rock and roll guitar player. I love it. Sound great.
See, it's rubbing off on you.
No, you play great, man. I love the way you play. Got some good stuff going
I
on there,
think we
kid.
get a mutual admiration society going here. Just starting.
Anyway, we're coming to you from Carmine's Country Corner up here in Locker Center. At my upholstery shop, behind all this backdrop and everything is actually things like tools, sewing machine, lots of scissors and measuring tapes, padding and different kinds of glue, lots of needles, razor blades. Gotta watch those razor blades.
Started smelling
In fact,
it,
I got a little cut in my finger right here on this one. Well, you know, when you work at your hands a lot, sooner or later, string's gonna break. You know, has to, you know. Anyway, Swan, you want to do another one? You feel like singing? Okay, we only got another,
Country music.
about another 10 minutes. We might go 5 minutes over because I want to hear this guy play. What do you got? Okay.
Hank Williams. Yes, one. It's an E. 1, 2, 1. Country music singer, always been a real close fan.
we got time for one more poll. You want to close it out?
Yes, sir.
Do one quick one, or we're gonna go. We'll see you next week. We had a little bit of fun this week. Greg,
All
thanks
right.
for adding up and adding a whole new dimension to Carmine's Country Corner, and it was a good one. We'll have you back soon. Thank you. Oh, I gotta ask one question. How's your lovely wife?
Susan's great. She wanted to come and sing tonight, but I didn't think we didn't know any songs, so I just said.
Oh, she's well. You know, she sings really cool country stuff. You tell her. You guys live so close.
She's like old style country with the Turner Boys, like Tammy Wynette.
Oh, I love
I
it.
love that stuff.
We
I
know
do
all
too.
those songs.
We know all of them. So you tell her anytime she wants to come down, just do a walk on. Just walk up and say, "I want to sing," and she's going to get up and sing. Oh, please, anytime.
Well, thank you.
Okay, what do you got?
Let's do Bye Bye Johnny.
Well, she got all the money from the southern trust. Even Louisiana from the cold west. The clothes from the happiness. Something satisfied. But you're